Every 2 minutes and 37 seconds, someone is shot in Chicago. Every 13 hours, someone is murdered. Now, we all want these statistics to change, and they can, but statistics change when they follow solutions. We believe we found a solution for the violence in Chicago. It begins by preparing the next generation to lead from the front and ensuring that when they get to the future, they are ready to handle it. And that's what we do at Providence St. Mel. We take pride in the old school values of hard work and homework, and we use the new schools of technology. A track record of proven success, 100% acceptance of every graduating class into a four-year college for the last 38 years in a row. 38 years. The average ACT score for CPS is 17. The average ACT score for Providence St. Mel, 25. And we even outscore other private schools in the city, no shade. Our most recent graduating class had a record-breaking 100% acceptance into top-tier schools and Ivy League colleges and more than $6 million in college scholarships. It's what we do. We help your children get there. We start at preschool and go all the way through high school. We got you. Honors and AP courses, a competitive sports program, music, choir, band, and a grade A faculty that makes sure they go above and beyond. So our kids are the movers and shakers of what is to come. We want your child to attend school here. And because your church is a partner with Providence, you can get up to 50% off tuition, and in some cases, even more than half. Visit us today and register to attend our next open house. Open house registration is free. We have indeed found the solution for Chicago: education. Providence St. Mel.